Hi kids, I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet. Okay, rate of change is constant in the table. Find the rate of change. Well, what we want to do is we want to um, look at the change in y over the change in x. And the first column is going to be the x. So what do we have as a change here? We have a change of +1. Here, what do we have a change of? We have a change of 40. Okay, so as this one increases by 1, this one increases by 40. So they're both positive, and that means that we're going to have a positive slope. Okay, so basically what we've got is then really 40 over 1, because we do change in y over change in x. 40 over 1 equals the number of dollars per person. As you increase the number of people by 1 for the ski rental package, you have to increase the cost by 40. So 40 over 1, $40 per person. The cost is $40 for each person. And just to point out, you could just as easily go through any 2 points on the data table and say, let's go from here to here. Okay, 7 minus 4 is 3, and 280 minus 160 is 120. So if we took that change of 120 and we divided it by the change of 3 people, we would still get 40 over 1, meaning $40 per person.